Alright guys, welcome to the new bot, RobEBankAI, you see me? Alright, so as you can see with the panel login page, and guys, I make it so easy for you to contact me. So for instance, you want to reach out to me, see the button and want to reach out to me, can simple click these, WhatsApp DM, Telegram DM, Instagram DM, and also you can join the free Telegram group. We have 2 Telegram groups, this free one, and you have a private group which every user will pay for the bot I can get access to. You see me? This Telegram group posts I could be all about updates, profit results, everything you wanna need to know. You see me? So anybody can join it. You see it? Straight to the video, I'm gonna show you guys say anybody can start trading with little and nothing. We are start with $3, bro. $3 we are started and showing you something. You see me? So sign in and make sure guys when not sign in, look and read this. You see me? And read that, pause the video and read that. You see me? Click the tick and sign in. See? So for the people who don't know how to get on the API token to connect to the bot and always have problem with these things, I make it so easy for you. You see what I'm to say? Get API token. Yeah, you can just click on it and it goes straight to your deriv and go straight to your API token if you sign register your token and start. So I paste the token. Show now. Alright, so you see it, we have $3 in our account right now, and we have 2 strategies so far. You see me? But this video we are focused on TradeX. You see me? And we are trying to make that video very fast. See? Alright, try and make that video fast. So TradeX is differs and matches. Basically, differs is when you bet say the digit you choose is like the digit you bet pan the tick price now go stop on that. Matches is when you bet say oh the digit you choose at that the tick price will stop on. Simple as that, guys. You see me? Alright. As you can see right here, so guys, you have your markets you can choose from. So if you choose your jump pair, your volatility pairs, you see me, your bull and bear. You see it. And guys, you see the bull and bear markets, those markets low, it work best with the strategy. You see me? Now I say other pair them can work, of course. You see me? But in the day, this strategy work good when the market is slow. So the best time to use this strategy when like early in the morning and them time when you know say people hardly open them things. You see me? Sauce me a going, you know. You see? Alright. So we have $3 in our account and we have practice risk management. So what I do, we wait on the countdown. When you reach 25, you're gonna see it start recommend the first digit where you can use to trade. Look on the percentage on the digit them you're gonna see. You see once it over 6%, I avoid those guys. I avoid those digits to under 6%. So if you realize that all the digit them over 6%, 6.5%, you move on to our next strategy, guys. Simple as that. You see me? So if your trade differs, right? Differs, as I'm telling you, differs and matches. Differs is easier for you to trade with. Differs, you don't want the percentage them too high, guys. Want it over 6.5, the least. Change your pair. Open an next pair. So analyze this and see it a move. You see me? I'm gonna really like how this a move. Yeah, I don't like how this a move, but we have placed one trade just to show now how the bot work. And we have used this button, place TradeX trade, the green button. That take one trade. Look guys. Win. You see it? Alright. You see the instant 5 guys that take 5 trades. Bro, in the next video, I'm gonna show you how all of the button them work. We just want or up and make sure you see the video no long so you can post in a Telegram group. Just to show you how the bot work. You see me? Very easy, guys. If you don't want the bot, just DM me. Is it? I place one more trade. And after that, we spot out anything else we don't need to know, and then we anytime move on to the next video the next day. You see me? See it? Win. So this has shown you guys say, if you don't have money, you can start with little or nothing, bro. You see me? You don't need a bag of money if you start. You see me? Yeah, bro. So if you don't want to contact me for the bot, as you see the login page, you can contact me with all those options. You see me? The bot is for 8 USD right now. Next month, it will raise to 100. And I don't know why. When you don't get the bot, you will understand why the bot is for 100. You see me? When you can get it for 80 right now. You see me? Alright. As me telling you guys, look on the digit them. You see the one them in I red, avoid those digits. You see me? Avoid them. You see one night green, if it suggests say 7 is the digit where you can trade right now, don't just jump and go trade it. Look on the percentage and analyze it. Once it's not over 6.5, you make a trade. You see me? Alright. I take one more trade. Just one more. And then we'll stop it. Next video we are showing how the go next work. By the way, leave I take no more trade. We are showing how the go next strategy look. So the go next is over and under analysis. But this go next, you only focus on over 0 and under 9. You see me? And you have the auto as well. We have auto on TradeX too, you know. I'm showing all them but there. But just look how your strategy look. You have a reinvestment. You have secure profit. All of that, guys. You see me? And this easy, bro. It's fucking easy, bro. Alright, I'll make one trade with the go next show now. Show how easy this is. I do a manual trade. Next video we can do showing everything else. Nah, I don't like how the market look. Guys, the next video will show how it works. We know so on the video to go long because one can hear before post in a Telegram group. But this is how the strategy look. You see me? And you have a TradeX showing you the auto trade in a TradeX. See it here? Start auto trade differs. Just click it and you just watch it trade. You see me? Yeah, dog. Simple as that. Boop in the mate.